Imagine if you could run a powerful AI on your computer or your phone completely free, with no internet required and no data ever leaving your machine. Google just made that possible with Gemma 4, their brand new model that dropped just the other week. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it up and running step by step, so you can run AI privately with zero cost, work completely offline, and even test it in the browser right now without downloading a single thing, even if you've never set up a local model before. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Jimmy Barkway. I run an AI startup. So if you haven't already, grab yourself a fresh cup of tea and let's dive straight in. So Google released a really powerful new model just within the last week or two, and it has completely changed the game for open source models. Why is this important? Because costs are only going to get higher for AI API costs. Subscriptions are going to go up. It is inevitable. So open source free AI run on your own machine is the future of AI. Data is also a huge concern when it comes to these big AI companies, OpenAI, Anthropic, even Google and their private Gemini. You remember Facebook? Facebook were hacked a few years ago and it was massive all over the news because people's personal data, because yours and my personal data was leaked out onto the internet for anyone to use and see. So if free, private, data secure wasn't enough to convince you, then Google's new model is on par, if not slightly better than the top open source models right now. But the top open source models, you're not able to run those on your local laptop. You're definitely not able to run those on your smartphone like you can with this model. Those top open source models, you need some serious hardware with a few hundred gigabytes of video RAM to be running those. Gemma 4 is designed to run on your own machine. So why would you want to do that? A Claude Pro subscription is $20 every month, and it works fantastically well for Claude Code, for Claude Cowork, and the new Claude design that dropped recently. And I would recommend you keep using it for those really intense tasks. Maybe you've got a big coding project, or you're just using it to organize your business. Absolutely keep it for those really difficult processes. But what's great about Gemma 4 is that it's completely free forever. It works with your Wi-Fi completely switched off. Data never leaves your computer. There are no limits. You don't have to worry about tokens. And it is lightning fast to respond. Google have released 4 models, 2 of which are designed to run on mobile phones or a computer. And the other 2, 26B and 31B, are a bit more resource intensive, but their reasoning, they are much more intelligent models. And they require video RAM of 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes, so slightly more powerful computers. And I recommend E4B as a great place to start out because it's a really powerful model, but it doesn't require a ton of resources from your computer to actually run. If you have a mobile phone with 8 gigabytes of RAM, then you can run this, but you can also run this on your computer just as well. Today, I'm going to be running 26B. Gemma 4's models are completely multimodal, which means they can accept text, images, code, and have fantastic reasoning ability, that intelligence I mentioned. To start out with testing this, we're not even going to download anything to our computer. You can just go straight to Google AI Studio, where you can test out all of their AI models, including Gemma 4. And the best part, you can run these with no internet at all. Imagine being on a plane with your laptop or your phone, and you're running an AI model that is responding to you and working for you without needing any connection to the internet. Unbelievable. Seriously a game changer. Gemma 4 is insanely efficient for agentic workflows and agentic engineering. It's got code built in, it's got reasoning, it is fully open source. And let's take a look at it right now. Put together a Notion guide for you so you can follow along while you're watching the video. You can get that by choosing the first link in the description and then click here, then come to the AI Vault and just look around here for Gemma 4. You can scroll all the way down to the Notion guide and I'll bring you here. So this is Google AI Studio. This is where Google lets you test out all of their models. You can see they've got Nano Banana Pro here, the best image generation model out there. Nano Banana 2, a much faster and cheaper version of Nano Banana Pro, and they claim that it has the same pro-level visual intelligence, but with much quicker speeds and efficiency. Although I have noticed a slight improvement in quality from Nano Banana Pro, but Banana 2 is still a fantastic model and it works really well. You've got their video models like VO 3.1. You can make music with Lyria 3 Pro, but today we're going to be using Gemma 4 So let's test out their best model here, which is 31B. This has the highest reasoning, it's got the most intelligence, and it has a 256K context window. Now, to explain context, this is essentially how much information the AI can fit into one chat window, one conversation at one time. So that's kind of size context window. You can think of it like a few hundred or even a few thousand PDFs being thrown into that context before it starts to hallucinate and struggle with having too much data in there. So generally, the bigger the context window, the better. So just click that right there. And now we can explore Gemma 4 31B. Set your thinking level to high so we can maximize its intelligence. Let's test it out. Hey, Gemma 4, can you do me a favor and explain to me how a mortgage works? Explain it like I'm 5 years old and someone who has never heard of a mortgage before. And there we go. It's explaining what a mortgage is like I'm 5 years old. Imagine you really, really, really want a giant, amazing Lego castle, but there is one problem. The castle costs 1,000 gold coins and you only have 10 in your piggy bank. You can't buy the castle today because you don't have enough coins. So you go to a friend who has a huge mountain of gold coins. This friend is called the bank. You say, hey, Mr. Bank, can I have 990 coins so I can buy this castle right now? I promise I will pay you back a little bit every single month for a long, long time. That is a mortgage, a big loan from a bank to buy a house, which you pay back slowly over a long time. So it gave me exactly what I asked for. There was no hallucination. These are intelligent models, but also completely free. And when we install them on our local machine, like I'm about to show you how to do, your data is also 100% secure and will only ever stay with you. But before we do that, hey, Gemma 4, can you do me a favor and write me an email to my colleague on my team? His name's Jason. I want you to apologize that I won't be able to make it to our meeting tomorrow morning. And please suggest some times tomorrow afternoon that would work instead. 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock works best for me. Be polite and friendly and write as if you're talking to your friend. Send that off. Okay, so it's thinking. Okay, it's giving me a few options here, depending on how chatty we want to be. So sorry, I'm not going to be able to make it to our meeting tomorrow morning. Really sorry for the change of plans. Could we move it to tomorrow afternoon instead? It's exactly what I asked for. And it's given us a few different options here as well. Now, Gemma 4 is built with the same sort of intelligence as the Gemini 3.1 model, which is why we're getting such clean output like this. So Gemini 4 can also understand images that you give to it as well. Hey, Gemma 4, can you analyze this image and tell me what's going on here? What are all the elements? What does the text say? Thinking once more. This is a thumbnail I used on a video recently about 3 amazing tools that make your OpenClaw instance a lot more useful. So if you want to check out that video, you can use this link right here. This image looks like a thumbnail for a YouTube video or a promotional banner for a guide. It is designed to be eye-catching, using high contrast colors against a dark background to grab the viewer's attention. I didn't have to tell it any of this. It is grasping all of this just from an image that it has seen. It's extracted all of the text. It's got all the visual elements. Didn't quite pick up on the fact that it's OpenClaw in the thumbnail, but that's fine. We'll let it off this time because most models only have information up to a certain date, and anything after that, they have to use the internet to search for. Okay, that's good. But what does this look like when we install this on our own computer? So to do that is actually a lot easier than you might think. Open source models sound scary, but the reality is companies like Ollama have made it insanely easy and completely free. You can either install this using Terminal, or you can just use the download button right here, which is what we're going to do today, and then download it for your operating system. And yours might have a light background rather than a dark one like mine. Don't panic. It's probably auto-detected that I have dark mode set on my OS. But you can just come to new chat right here, and then you can chat with any open source models, some of which are in the cloud. Or you can download them onto your machine. You can see we've got Gemma 4, the 2 smaller models, easier to run on most machines. Let's go for 26B. And now it's going to download that onto my computer after I've sent it a little message. Nearly there. Over there. Hello, how can I help you today? Hey, Gemma, can you tell me why bananas are the best fruit on the planet? Okay, it's thinking through. It's actually reasoning and thinking through the options. There we are. It's giving me some great information as to why bananas are the best fruit ever, because it's true. And the verdict: when you combine convenience, nutrition, versatility, and mood boosting properties, the banana isn't just a fruit, it's a lifestyle. Love that. Hey, Gemma, I have a meeting with my manager later today, and I'm going to ask for a raise. Can you tell me how I should best approach this to give me the best chance of getting my raise? Let's see. Okay, it's added some urgency in there because it is later today. Tell me exactly how to prepare, what to say, what not to say. And it's really well written. Genuinely quite impressed. And you can actually install Ollama on your phone as well and run one of the smaller models. So you've got AI wherever you are, on the go all the time, and your data is fully protected. Hey, Gemma, could you take a look at this image for me and summarize the key points? What should I be learning from this infographic exactly? It's thinking through, and I can see that it can read the image, extracting all the key information. This is amazing. This is a high-level product sheet for Gemma 4. It is designed to communicate that the new generation of models is not just smarter, but more versatile, more efficient, and private than previous iterations. Right you are. And a ton of great data on there. Beautifully accurate. What you should be learning from this, the so what? If you're a developer, a business leader, or a tech enthusiast, here is the meta lesson of the infographic. The shift to agentic AI, the end of the cloud-only era. Privacy is a feature. Multimodality is the new standard. Can you create a HTML page for me with a button in the center of the page that rotates between two pictures above the button? One is a picture of a banana and the other is a picture of an orange. I would like you to code these images using nothing but code and make the website beautifully colorful and vibrant. Let's see how its coding ability is. Okay, to achieve this, it's going to use scalable vector graphics to create my fruit. And it's written out the code for me just like that, writing as we speak. Okay, beautifully colorful and vibrant, just like I asked for. I've seen better bananas in my life, but if we click this, we've got a nice smooth animation there and great animations all around. This is pretty awesome for a completely free open source model that you can run on your own machine. I'm lost for words. Okay, let's try this out for size. And there are 3 light bulbs inside that room. You can only enter the room once. How do you figure out which light switch powers which bulb? Let's go. This is a classic lateral thinking puzzle. To solve it, you have to use a variable other than just on and off. In this case, that variable is a heat. Step-by-step solution. 3 switches, call them A, B, and C. Turn switch A to the on position, leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that time has passed, turn switch A to the off position, immediately turn switch B on, and then leave switch C off. Now walk into the room and check the temperature. That's pretty good. Okay, intelligence test passed. There we have it, Google's new open source Gemma 4 models. We covered what Gemma 4 is and why local AI is the future of AI. We covered why it matters when it comes to privacy and cost. You cannot be free. We showed how to test it immediately in Google AI Studio. We walked through installing Ollama, downloading the Gemma 4 model, and then running these models on your own machine. I recommend downloading the bigger models 26B or 31B if you have the hardware for it. Otherwise, start off with the E2 or E4B. Now, it doesn't stop right there for Gemma 4. Now, if you want to take this one step further and power OpenClaw with Google's Gemma 4, so you can run it completely free on your own machine, working day and night for you, completely autonomously, free and private, then go ahead and watch this video right here. See you there.